Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Chapter 4 My Experiments with Truth by M.K. Gandhi. Do you know who is M.K. Gandhi? Yes, our father of nation, Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Now, tell me, do you know what is autobiography? Do you know? Okay. Now I will tell you what is biography and autobiography. An autobiography is a story of a person's life written by that person. Means that is self-written. वो पर्सन अपने बारे में खुद ही लिख रहा है उस पोइम के उस बुक के अंदर. Okay, and who is and what is biography? Biography means any other person is written about that person. Okay. Now, in this chapter, My Experiments with Truth, he shared some of his childhood experiences, and this extract narrates his experiment, stealing not to giving time to physical training, especially gymnastic, and he has also done various mistakes in his life, but he also tells that some plays he has been told in his autobiography, the play called Shravan Pitra Bhakt, and next play is about Raja Harishchandra. These two plays make a false an impact on his life. How? We will read in this chapter. And firstly, tell me, have you ever done any experiment with truth? Do you know the meaning of experiment with truth? The Mahatma Gandhi was a person who never tell a lie. हाँ, बचपन में तो हर कोई अपनी शरारतें करता है, but he always speak truth. Okay, so experiment with truth means whenever you speak truth, sometimes you are not able to explain that. You may also got some problems when you are speaking truth. And have you ever tells a lie in your life? कभी आपने झूठ बोला है? आप जब एक बार झूठ बोलते हो तो आपको उसको छुपाने के लिए 100 झूठ और बोलने पड़ते हैं. दैट इज़ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद ट्रूथ. इन द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज़ कि जब हम सच बोलते हैं तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू फेस द प्रॉब्लम्स टू एक्सप्लेन दैट ट्रूथ. एंड when we are telling a lie, once we tell a lie, we have to tell a lie several times to hide that a single lie. एक झूठ को छुपाने के लिए हमें बहुत बार झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. This is the chapter, the meaning of this, the name of the chapter. Okay. Now, pre-reading task. Have you ever made mistakes? क्या आपने कभी गलती की है? I am sure आपने कभी ना कभी तो गलती करी होगी. What did you learn from it? आपने उससे क्या सीखा? कुछ सीखा भी कि नहीं? और कुछ तो ऐसे पर्सन्स होते हैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट जो दूसरों की गलतियों से ही सीख लेते हैं. What do you do when you find a drawback और वीकनेस? आप क्या करते हो जब आपको अपने अंदर कोई गलती या कोई मिस्टेक मिलती है? तो ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ, अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करते हैं आप. ट्राई टू फॉरगेट इट एंड डोंट केयर एट ऑल. ट्राई टू हाइड इट फ्रॉम अदर्स, दूसरों से छुपाते हैं. ट्राई टू ले ब्लेम ऑन अदर्स, ये तो बहुत सारे करते हैं, है ना. ओके, नाउ ये आंसर आप खुद ही दे सकते हैं अपने बारे में. एंड यू विल डू योर सेल्फ दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, नाउ वी विल रीड द चैप्टर. Now read this extract from Gandhi Ji's autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. I must have been about 7 when I put into a primary school. मैं करीबन 7 years का होऊंगा. I was 7 years old when I was in the primary school. Yes, अभी now this is the time कि हम छोटे बच्चों, बहुत छोटे बच्चों, आप 2-3 years के बच्चों को स्कूल में डाल देते हैं. व्हेन जो पास्ट टाइम था, इट हैपन्स दे गो टू स्कूल एट द एज ऑफ 6 or 7. एंड आई कैन वेल रिकलेक्ट दोज डेज. मैं बहुत आई कुड रिमेंबर दोज डेज इंक्लूडिंग द नेम्स एंड अदर पर्टिकुलर्स ऑफ द टीचर्स who taught me. He can even remember while writing, he can even remember when he was 7, when he was in the school. He also remembers the name of the students and the teachers and the particulars. Particular means the habits they are having. I do not remember having ever told a lie. और मुझे याद है कि मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता था. Either to my teachers or to my schoolmates. Never to my teacher. I never tell a lie to my teacher or my schoolmate. I used to be very shy. Shy means Sharmila. Okay. And avoided all company. Which company? The company of friends. I used to be very shy and avoid all company. My books and my lessons were my sole companions. Companions are the friends. My books are my only friends. And to be at school at the stroke of hour means when the bell rings. जब पीरियड फिनिश होता है या क्लास फिनिश होती है, स्कूल फिनिश होता है, द बेल रैंक्स ना. द स्ट्रोक ऑफ एन आवर टू रन बैक होम एज सून एज द स्कूल क्लोज्ड. आई ऑलवेज रश टू माई होम व्हेन बेल रैंग. दैट वॉज माई डेली हैबिट. ये मेरी डेली की हैबिट थी. The two incidents belonging to this period have always clung to my memory. These two incidents about this Shravan Natika and this the play Harishchandra always play a vital role in my life. Vital means important role that hang to my memory, that clung to my memory. मतलब ये मेरी मेमोरी से बहुत जुड़ा हुआ है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है. एज अ रूल आई हैड ए डिस्टेस्ट ऑफ एनी रीडिंग बियॉन्ड माई स्कूल बुक. मुझे अपने स्कूल बुक्स के अलावा कोई और बुक पसंद नहीं आती थी. आई डोंट लाइक एनी अदर बुक. बट समहाउ माई आईज फेल ऑन ए बुक परचेज्ड बाय माई फादर. किसी तरह मेरी आइज़ उस बुक पे पड़ी जो दैट माई फादर परचेज फ्रॉम मी. इट वॉज श्रावना पितृभक्त नाटका, ए प्ले अबाउट Shravana devotion to his parents. Shravan was a person who cares for his parents and he carries him on his shoulder and takes his parents to the pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means a journey to a holy places, means sacred जगह पे as like धाम में, सभी चारों धाम उन्होंने करवाए थे श्रावण ने. I read it with intense interest. Intense means deep interest. I had taken very deep interest in it. One picture in this book showed Shravana carrying his parents on pilgrimage. The book and the picture left an underlying impression. वो बुक जो उसके पेरेंट्स लाए थे और the picture, this is a picture that makes an impression on the गांधी जी on his mind. कई बार ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जो हमें बिल्कुल याद रहती है, जो हमें बचपन में हमारे साथ हुई है. The same incident happened with this Gandhi ji. Here is an example for you to copy. I said to myself. I said to myself, मैंने अपने आप से बोला, this is the example that I have to set in my life. हमें इस बुक से, इस इंसिडेंट से, इस श्रवण ने जो ये अपने फादर मदर के लिए किया था, मुझे इससे कुछ सीखना चाहिए. I said to myself, here is an example to set into my life. Another similar play, उसी की तरह एक और प्ले था, मिस्टर राजा हरीश चंद्र. Captured my heart. Captured means gathered my heart. मेरे दिल को चुरा लिया उस प्ले ने. Why should not all the truthful like हरीश चंद्र was the question. कि सभी राजा हरीश चंद्र की तरह ट्रूथफुल क्यों नहीं होते हैं. That's why it is called the experience with truth. Those who always speaks truth in his or her life, he has to face the problems and he has to cope up with that problems. He must have the evidences कि अगर आपने कुछ ट्रुथ बोला है और दूसरा आपको गलत साबित करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो आपके पास उस ट्रुथ को साबित करने के लिए एविडेंस भी होना चाहिए. ओके. I asked myself day and night. मैंने अपने आप से दिन रात यही बात की, that I should be truthful like Raja Harishchandra. To follow truth and to go through all ordeals Harishchandra went through was the one ideal it inspired me. Ordeals means painful experiences. Whenever we speak truth, we have to go through these painful experiences. To follow truth and to go through all ordeals Harishchandra went through was the one ideal it inspired me. Okay. There was another such incident during the time. एक ऐसा और इंसिडेंट हुआ. These are the good incidents, the truthful incidents. Now a time came in his life, Gandhi ji's life, that in this time, in these incidents, he was telling a lie. And how he had cope up with that situation, we will read it here. There was another such incident during this time when I was in 7th standard. Dorabji